Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eizy, and this week we're gonna check out another A.T.K girl series. One of the Chinese divine beasts, the number 4, the Xuanwu. Get this kit and more from Uncle Chen Workshop. The links of his Facebook page and Shopee in the description down below. Xuanwu is 1/12 scale plastic model kit where you need to assemble it from parts. The size of her box is the same like the previous A.T.K girl, but it is much bigger compared to the Transformable girl, the Mega Device line. And she comes with bunch of accessories, including a full set of parts to make extra plastic model kit like this. Well, in this set, you will not only get 1 but 2 plastic model kit. Unlike the previous A.T.K girl series, I have the number 3 right here. This is the Baihu, and if you guys haven't watched my video review, you guys can check that one out. The link in the description down below. The first and the second and the third A.T.K girl, including this Baihu right here, doesn't come with a full accessories and any parts needed to make this full-scale plastic model kit. An extra one right here. This is actually the first time ever A.T.K girl released a dual model kit all in one box. Check out the size comparison with the Kotobukiya Transformable girl, Good Smile Company Nandoroid, Kotobukiya Mega Device, Bandai High Grade Gauntlet, Bandai Figurized Standard, Aoshima Variable Fire Girl, and A.T.K girl Baihu. She comes with a set of open hand, another set of open hand, twist side, a set of fist, a set of pointy hand, and another set of grabby hand. For the face expression, the first one you will get a normal looking face, the second one is the angry looking face, and the third one you will get a sad looking face. You also get 3 blank faces like this, and the 2 of them will get a full set of connectors for the head. She also comes with an action base, the green action base, a set of water slide decal here, a sword like this, and then this white piece here, you can change it to this one here. This is a flexible one with a wire. Also bunch of spare parts. For the head, articulation can move up about that far, go down about that far, side to side, and one full rotation. And then this hair piece at the top here can go up like that, and then make one full rotation like so. For the man body part here, can move backward, forward, side to side like that, and then this part here can move forward and backward like so. This is using the same size of ball joint, so you can make one full rotation, go like that, and then can bend about that far, and then this can swivel. This thing can swivel, and this part also can swivel, and this hand here can go up and down and make one full rotation. This side skirt can lift up and down like that. The legs can spread, front kick, back, and then bend, swivel here, can do pivot, then move like that and like so. And this part at the back here can close it up like that. For the head articulation, you can move up and down, side to side, and make one full rotation. This upper hair piece can go up and down, and then make one full rotation. This one body part here can move forward and then backward, side to side like so, and then go forward and backward like that. This is using a ball joint, so you can make one full rotation like that, and move up and down like so. This can swivel and then can bend about that much, and then this hand can make one full rotation, can go up and down like so. For the legs, can spread about that much, front kick, back, swivel here, bend about that much, pivot, and then this front segment here can bend like that, move like that, forward. For the backpack articulation, so let's start with this shield right here. There's no articulation here except this part here can do like this and like that, and then back here. And this one has a full range of articulation, but we have a ball joint here, can make one full rotation, and then can extend like that. And then same goes with this one here, can extend like that, can do like this and like so. Same goes with this one here. There's a joint at this side, can bend like that, can bend at the other side here. And there's no movement for this part here. To attach the backpack here, just simply remove the hat first, and then you see the packs and the connectors at the back here. Just slide this in and put this hat back like that. For the weapon gimmicks that you can do, well, actually the shield can be combined. So just remove the shields, and then you'll see there's a transparent blue right here. Actually, you can remove this part, and then see you can remove this part, and then same goes with the other side here. You can open up like that, but I prefer just to take this entire piece off. And then you'll see there's a connection here and then down here too. Just simply press it like that. Here we go. So we have the shield, and to attach the shield to the model kit, this part right here, just put it like that. It will look like this. See, the connector is connected to this arm to hold this huge shield. So the other hand, you can attach this sword like that. The other gimmick about this shield with this huge weapon right here, actually you can attach this together with this piece right here. So simply slide this in, that, and then the other side here, that. Then let's grab this one and then slide this in, and you have the shield with this huge launcher here. And then for this weapon articulation, this piece can rotate the handle, and also this can move like that and like so. So we have another handle here and the handle right here, both sides. So this is the other gimmick, the example of the pose. Overall, this Xuanwu is one nice looking plastic model kit. Not only she has the cool looking armor, but also she comes with bunch of accessories, including the weapons that you need. And not to forget the extra girl inside this box too. That's all the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and also share my contents. You guys can also check out my Facebook page as well, Eizy Customizer. The links are in description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, a lot of stuff with plastic model kit. Thank you very much for watching this video here on Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. So that's all for me today. Check out. Bye.